St. John Island here in Singapore. Ito guys, ticket namin, and then sasakay kami dito sa mga ferry na yan. Sa mga ferry talaga. Ito siguro malaki na to, oh goodness. Ayan o guys. Makamis mag ano?
Para ka na rin
makamis magdagat.
Resort ng amo ko, ganyan na sinasakay na.
Ito ay sasakyan namin. Oh, laki niya ah. Oh my goodness. So guys, so wala pang tao kami pala. Hanap na kami ng upuan. I'm kinda excited kasi ngayon na naman kami lalabas. Makalabas man lang ng Singapore. I mean, hindi lalabas. Island lang. Island hopping. Ayan. We're leaving now guys. Ganda ng view. Kita-kita yung Marina Bay Sands. Safe travels to us. Ang ganda dito guys. Diyan kami guys galing oh. Diyan kami galing. Yan yung Marina Bay Sands. Ang ganda ng tubig. Sarap umiyak. Enjoy day? Enjoy? Enjoy!
Say hi, Marika.
Say hi!
Dito sa akin.
Dito sa kanya ha. Say hi! Sa kanya.
Dito sa akin.
Oh, say hi here also. Laki, diba? Kausap ko sarili ko. Welcome to St. John Island. Lapit lang pala. See, guys? Just look how beautiful it is. Fun. Oh, guys, you should visit this island one day. You should visit this when you come to Singapore. I recommended you to come and visit this island as well. It's only about 15 to 20 minutes from Marina South here. Paris living now. Babalikan ako niya mamaya. Ako may-ari niya. Joke. Alis na siya. Okay guys, kakain muna kami. Naghanap kami ng spot na pwedeng, ayan, maglalagay lang ako ng ano dyan. Eto, upuan. Ang gaganda dito, goodness, super. I'm sure mag-i-enjoy kayo. Mag-enjoy tayo dito, ano te? Yes or no? Yes or no? Mag-i-enjoy kayo or not?
Yes.
Yes. Guys,
Kainan na muna, kainan na.
gutom na, may nagre-reklamo na. Kain muna kami. Guys, so I saw a friend up on the tree. It's too bright, I can't see. So you see, guys? Ang haba ng tail. Ayun. Woo! Piece of it shy. Oh my goodness. It's coming down. Whoopsie! He's not afraid of people. I think he got used to people coming around it, coming over here. So yeah. Maliligo rin siguro sa beach. Kasi nga, ano, diba? Tinatanong ko.
Hindi ako nakuha.
Ito ang view namin while having lunch. What a lovely sight.
Tagal ni babaingan tayo. Ilang buwan bago
Oh, it's cute kite.
dumating.
Mickey Mouse kite. So we just had lunch here at St. John Islands, and then walk around a bit, and we decided to go for another island, which is the Crusoe Island. So punta kami guys ng Crusoe Island this time. Yan. Okay, ang laki rin yung sasakyan. Parang ito rin sinakyan namin kanina. Yan. By St. John Island. Dito na kami guys. Another island. Welcome to Crusoe Island. Pala dito sa Crusoe Island. At saka mas mahangin siya. Ayan, meron siya ng bridge. O, diba? Mas masarap dito ang hangin. Father friend is here. Komodo dragon. Naka-play na yan. Naka-play na yan. Welcome to Kuso Island. Ano lang. Guys, ang ganda ng view. Diba? Kahit mainit. Meron sila guys dito ng wishing well. Tingnan natin sa loob. Yan. Wishing well. I am going to throw some coins as well, guys. Let's see. Since this is a wishing well, so I might wish something.
Don't show, I just say.
Here you go. Want some kangkong? Hey. Here you go, girl. Oh, they're eating wine. They're eating.
You see the prints on each case is also different. You see the shell? Yeah. You see they are very different prints. So the only tortoise that same shell is the animal family.
Oh, is it? But I think every tortoise shell is different.
Yeah, every tortoise shell is different.
This and this tortoise shell is same.
It's not the same. Nothing is the same. Nico, we are no more leave.
Cottages dito guys sa Kuso Island. Maganda mag-picnic kahit maghapon. Kahit maghapon pa kayo dito.
Saan tayo pupunta? Ayun, pupunta tayo doon. Saan?
Iikot mo ng ganun ha.
Maantar na to? Sige, nasaan ka na? Nawala ka.
Teka lang. Hi guys! Ang ganda ng view dito sa sa Kuso Island. Ito yung view oh. Ate, ikot mo nga ate. Yan yung Marina Bay Sand, yung Singapore Flyer, at saka yung mga condominium.
Ay, malayo.
Ganda, di ba?
Malayo. Malayo ang ano.
Ay, nako.
Malayo.
is the tortoise.
Alay na, sasakay ka.
Hindi oh.
Gaganyan ka oh. Lagyan mo yung ulo niya.
So guys, we're about to go back now. It's the end of our island hopping. Going back now guys. Don't feel it.